What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and you probably went out to Costco and got some of these. Well, today I'm gonna review these. Today we go over the Feit electrical LED string lights from Costco, or Bistro lights, patio lights, or tent lights, wedding lights, or whatever you want to call them. They're string lights, so they're from Costco, and today I'm gonna review them. Right off the bat, I'm gonna say these lights are good. They're shatterproof, they're durable, they have thick wire, they're energy saving, and they're beefy. Here, why don't I show you some of my setups that I've used these lights in.
But I shall not bore you with more light setups until the end. Continue.
I like to store my lights up here in the garage. Normal people put them in their yard, but I was never normal. Alright, here's what Costco has to say about these lights. Feit electrical wet location approved LED filament string light set designed for indoor and outdoor use. Each set includes 14.6, 48 feet, heavy duty cord with 24 sockets spaced 60 centimeters, that's 2 feet folks, apart.
With 2 extra bulbs, connect 45 sets of these bad boys together. Use included LED bulbs. These string lights are perfect for patios, porches, walkways, restaurants, cafes, or anywhere decorative where accent lights are desired.
Thanks, Costco. Okay, so how much is 45 sets strung together? That's 2,160 feet, or for all you other people, 658 meters. I think we need to break it down a little bit more though. So an American football field is 100 yards, or 91.44 meters, or 300 feet. So you could technically string enough of these bad boys together to cover about 7.2 American football fields. Alright, so let's crack these bad boys open. So this is the box right here, as you can see. Once you crack the box open, it comes with an LED string light, basically blah blah blah. You get your bulbs, and then you get the string. So one thing that I've noticed, because I bought a lot of sets of these from my rental company, is that you have to screw them in good. So last year I had a tent set up where my employees installed them into a tent, and then we left before plugging them in, and the client goes to me, they said, oh, we had to take each one of the bulbs out and we had to move up the little piece of metal inside on each one. And I was like, really? You didn't just try screwing the bulb in a little bit harder? And there was some fireworks going on. But yeah, so just when you put them in, just give them a little bit tighter than you think you would need screw, and then they'll be good. So you get 2 extra bulbs in the box here. So this is the markings on the box there. Feit electric. So they're an E26 bulb. So let's screw these in and try them out. All right, so I screwed them all in. 2 extras. There you are. I thought I lost you. Well, I've got them all done up here, so let's plug them in here. Oh, it's miraculous.
Wanna see?
All right, so they're shatter resistant. I'm sure you all know what shatter resistant means, but let's give them a try here. So they're probably fall from up here. So none are broken, so they're clearly can take a little bit of a beating. The beauty of these things is I know that people line up for these in the summer for my rental company, so I buy a whole bunch of boxes and then I don't open them until just before the rental season, so that if I don't use any of them, I can just take them back. But every year it's the same thing. I just sell out and I need more. So I'm just gonna buy more and more and more of these because Once Costco runs out, the people who are throwing weddings and backyard parties, they just want more. So I rent these out as grab-and-go lightings. I put them up in my tents. They work for many different purposes. So they don't lose value either. People just want them, and they'll pay whatever they can for them when it's coming down to the wire and they can't find any at the store. All right, remember how I was gonna show you more of my setups? Well, first I'm gonna show you how I set up lights in a high peak marquee tent, and then I'm gonna show you some of my light setups, so stay tuned. Picking up some goodies to do my late night setup. And by goodies, I mean stuff to hang lights, zip tie, shower curtain. Yeah, so got my van and my trailer here. Let's go. So one roll of Costco lights does a zigzag, so you could do two 49 foot rolls or two 50-foot rolls. Go perfectly in 20 by 30 tent, doing the X. But I shall not bore you with more light setups until the end. Well, this is that time. We're here. Here are the setups. Anyways, long story short, they're darn good lights, so go out and buy them, whether you're having a wedding, you have a rental company, or if you just want to resell them. Who knows? Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and sub to the channel if you haven't. Join the club, and as always, You stay classy.